What's this? Boom! Yes? Disaster! Boom! What's this? Explosion! Good! Boom! What's this? Volcano! It's volcanoes! To the stage, please! Their color is orange! Volcano! Music, go! Go!
When a live volcano blows out for an extended period of time before exploding and killing everything in their path, then they are calm again. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are honored to be here as volcano scientists to present our important discovery and creativity. We would like to thank you for your presence and to our wonderful organizers in our incredible school, Camilla, and Hasnawi, I'm Iman al-Basim. I'm Teresa Khan. I'm Khaled Lewis. I'm Ilyas Morahin. We are scientists that were in the American island in the light of 2022 that were subjected to eruption. Known volcano named Mauna Loa volcano, the largest active volcano in the world. Thanks to that, we had our opportunity to know and search more about volcano. What is a volcano? What makes a volcano? What are the parts of volcano? What are the types of volcanoes? Where are volcanoes found? Other famous volcanoes. What is a volcano? A volcano is a mountain or a hill which has a crater or vent, lava or magma rock fragment, hot vapor and gas travel through the vent, which has erupted from the earth's crust. Its name comes from the Roman god of fire, volcano. Ash or gas, this is created when volcano exploded. Lava is also known as magma. This is the hot liquid rock which is hidden under the earth's surface. Once it comes out of the volcano, it's called lava. Vent. Volcano's materials is come to the vent is an opening in the earth's surface. Crater is where the eruption takes place. It is a large hole surrounding the vent. Now, get ready to see the explosion in front of your eyes. 1, 2, 3, let's start! Firstly, I will choose Secondly, I add a small amount of salt. Third, I add a drop of food coloring. Finally, I put the cup and half of vinegar. And now, let's come back a little and watch our volcano erupt!
You can continue it,
We start our speech by and we end it by something also women love. Not just explosion, by preparing a sweet grams of flour, 300 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 eggs, 300 grams of cacao, 200 grams of dark chocolate, 300 grams of sugar, 15 minutes later, the cake!
Wonder where mountains stand tall like fiery beasts, the mightiest around with rumbling thunder and mountain glow. Behold the volcano ready to blow. Deep inside the earth, magma's on the rise, a flowing river, a fiery surprise. Pressure builds up, it cannot be contained. A volcano's birth, a mountain unstained. Mighty volcano, it's time to be on. Nature's grand spectacle, very simple. When its flowers so bright and its colors so grand, a volcano's majesty covers the land. A gush of lava shoots up into the sky like a fiery fountain that reaching up height. It flows down the slopes, a river so red, a carving path through the rocks ahead. Mighty volcano, a sight to behold. Nature's grand spectacle, very simple. When its lava so bright and its power so grand, a volcano's majesty covers the land. Let's meet the different volcanoes, shall we? Ready?
I hope that you see this thing here that happens. The volcano explodes, but because we have here the cable, it's too long in order to show you the land where the volcano, the real volcano. You cannot see the volcano up like this, it's under. That's why we make sand here, and we make a cable under, the sand is here. And the cable from the ball go everything all this way and go up to the volcano. Here it is. Here it is, the eruption, the explosion, everything that a volcano did in front of your real eyes. How do you find it? Do you like it? Hands up, please. Please, hands up. Volcano! So, let's also do the simple materials again. We come back. Plastic. This one is like sponge. Plastic animals. Here, the white cement, coloring, painting, art, bringing the real thing from real life to an artistic project, which is this. An experiment in the bottle, go in this descent and go up to the volcano, and you can see it's clear. Thank you so much, volcano.